Hey guys, it's Mike from Creative Windows, and today we just installed this beautiful SunPro awning. This is a retractable awning. This one happens to be 14 feet wide by 12-foot projection, and just wanted to show you some of the features of this awning. It comes standard with built-in LED lights inside the arms. That's a standard feature. Let me see if I can't operate those for you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it has 3 different brightness settings, and every awning comes with that light feature. It also comes standard with your choice of fabric. That's Sunbrella fabric. This one also happens to be motorized, where you just push the button and it automatically retracts in and out. These retractable awnings are available up to 40 feet wide. This one happens to be 14 feet wide, and it operates flawlessly. Some of the other features that we offer, it also has a built-in wind sensor, so if the awning shakes around by the wind, it doesn't get damaged and it automatically retracts into the cassette. This particular one has an optional solar screen shade, which is operated by a pole, and you basically just crank that screen down to whatever length you need it to, and that helps you screen the sun coming in from the sides of the awning. Okay, so again, we're going to start offering these SunPro retractable awnings to our customers, and if this is something you're interested in, just give us a holler here at Creative Windows in St. James. Of course, to retract this, you just have your little handheld remote here, push the button, and it automatically starts to retract back into the cassette. It's a great product. If you want more information as it relates to this awning, please feel free to give us a call at Creative Windows in St. James, or stop by our website at mycreativewindows.com. Thanks for watching.